Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Olivia.
And we're having a video chat lesson because of the coronavirus. So we're going to practice Everybody Wants to Be a Cat. These are the moves for Olivia to practice at home. So we start like this. Can you put your hands like this? And we go out like a big circle. So we go, everybody wants to be a cat. Good. And then it's really cute if you wear a bow tie for this song. So it's like you're straightening your bow tie with your elbows out like this. Because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. And then take one fist and put it on your hip. Take your other hand and can you snap your fingers? Or you can pretend you're snapping your fingers. You go, everybody's picking up on the feline beat. And then put your arms in an X like this. And make it like a disgusted face, like ew. Because everything else is obsolete. Yep, good. And then we put our hands like this, like you're pushing somebody away. Beware of a square when he offers to share his milk to sip. If it hasn't been tried, and then put your fist back on your hip, and then like you're scolding somebody with your fingers, like, I suggest you provide your own catnip. And then hopefully you'll have a hat for this song. So you take your hat off your head and spin in a circle like this. And then put your hat back on your head. And then I've heard some corny birds. So you put your hat on your head with this hand and then put that hand on your hip like this. And then take your other hand and put it by your ear like that. I've heard some corny birds who try to sing. And now switch hands like this. And like you're swinging your tail with your other hand. Because a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing. And then take both hands and clasp them together like this. And go back and forth. A purr between two furry friends may be. And then take your hat again. Old hat. But everybody wants to be a cat. And then at the end you make kitty paws like this and go meow. Good. So can we try it one more time and we'll just try it together?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I'll upload this and you can practice with it later. 2 thumbs up for Olivia. Here, can you say bye-bye?